Good evening, my name is Zakaria Anwar Hashim. I'm from Al-Nasr Secondary for Distinguished Students. Our lesson will be Physics, Chapter 5, Energy and Electrical Power. This is the definition. We have first topic, electrical power. This is the definition of power, the amount of energy consumed or used by electrical device in unit of time. The amount of energy consumed or used by electric device in a unit of time. Power equal energy, which is measured by joule, and time, which is measured by seconds. We got these figures. It's located at the first page of the chapter. We have two circuits. They are simple circuit, consists of key, connection wire, lamp, and battery. We have two circuits. We notice that the lamp, which located at the first or in A, is glow weaker than the lamp located at B. Why? Because it depends on the follow or how much electric current follow in the connection wire and the potential difference between its two ends. And the wattage of the first lamp is lower than the wattage of the second lamp. So the second lamp will glow sharper than the first lamp, and it depends on the resistance. Why this is glow weaker? Because the resistance in this circuit is higher, and the resistance in this circuit is lower, so it goes following more current in this circuit. We got this law P, which is power, equal I current multiplied by V. Is different from this law. When we applying Ohm law, it's equal this law, we get P equal I multiplied by IR. This is as the result, it will get volt. So because of we have two I's, so we get I square multiplied by R. This is the second law. I square is equal P equal V, which volt on resistance multiplied by V. Because if we have 2 voltage or 2V, we make it V square. This is the third law. Now we have another examples on the chapter 5. We have 3 circuits, A, B, and C. We notice that the first circuit, which consists of key, battery, and lamp, glow normally and equally. And we notice P is glow more than A. Why? Because we have 2 batteries that generate high potential difference and high current to make the lamp glow sharper, and the resistance is lower. And we notice the figure C, it consists of 3 batteries. So it's glower sharper than B and sharper than A. Why? Because we have 3 batteries and the resistance is very weak to impedance the current. So it glow sharper than B and A. We have this question. Why is the electrical power consumed by houses, factories, business shops, hospital? Why these places use electrical power? Because or for purpose of lighting, heating, cooling, and operating device. Repeat, for purpose of lighting, heating, cooling, and operating device. Now we got electric energy and how to calculate it. Ministry of Electricity supply us with electric energy in order to operate these devices. So it set a meter or a device in each house in order to record how much electricity has been consumed. Then we get invoice 2 pi monthly, or we get this 2 pi monthly. If we want to calculate to use this law, electric energy consumption equal electrical power multiplied by time, which equal E, which is joule, equal power multiply power, which measured by watt, multiplied by T, which equal second. Now we got this example from the book. Electric teapot use potential difference 22 volts and electric current of 10 volts follow. Calculate teapot's power, electric energy consumed during 20 seconds. If we got this problem, we must insert any information like this, V equal 22 volt and I equal 10 ampere. In order to facilitate the solution, teapot power, we must to insert the power or to solve the power. We write as the following: power equals I multiplied by V. Where is the I? This is the I, which means the current. This is the current and this is voltage. Equal the current 10 ampere. The volt is 220 volt equal 220 volt. So we get 2200 watt. Why watt? Because he wants power. Now we get the requirement 2. Electric energy consumed during 20 seconds. We search about this law. Electric energy consumption according equal power multiplied by time. This is the power. We write the law equal E equal B multiplied by time. We want the electric energy consumption. So the power, this is the power, 2200 watt multiplied by time. How much time? 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So by multiplication process equal 44,000 joule, which equal 44 kilojoule. Why? Because 1 kilojoule equal 1 kilojoule equal 1000 joule. Now we have the last subject or the last law. We must explain it at the end of the lesson. We can calculate the cost of the electricity by operating device for a certain period of time. We can calculate the cost of electricity by operating device for a certain period of time. If we want to apply this law, we use the cost of electricity equal power multiplied by time multiplied by unit price, which equal dinar on kilowatt per hour, or kilowatt, which is power, multiplied by hour multiplied by dinar divided by kilowatt per hour. Now we got a problem from chapter question on page 74. An electrical boiler consumes power of 2 kilowatts. It's worked for 6 hours. What's the cost of consumed energy if the price of 1 kilowatt per hour is 100 dinars? Before the solution, we must mark the formation. 2 kilowatt, 7 hours, and cost of electricity. We have power equal 2 kilowatt, and the hour or the time equals 6 hours, and cost of electricity is 100 dinars. Now, if you want to calculate the cost of the electricity, which is 100 dinars, we must apply this law. After we confirm it, the formation is right. The time must be in hours, not in a minute. Because if in a minute, we must change into hours. And if we have watt, we must change into kilowatts. We must apply this law as the followings. Electricity cost of electricity equal power, kilowatt, its unit, time, hour, multiplied by unit price. Unit price, which is equal dinar on kilowatt per hour. The power, which is equal kilowatt, this is the power, 2 kilowatt. The time is 6 hour. Unit price is 100 dinars. The unit price is 100. We must write the unit of the law, not the unit of the problem. Dinars on kilowatt per hour. Remove kilowatt with kilowatt and hour with hour. 2 by 6 equal 12. Multiply by 100 equal 1020 dinars. So we remove kilowatt with kilowatt and hour per hour. The rest or the left is dinars, so we must write the unit of price. And at the end of the lesson, I'll thank to Mr. Thamer Mohammed and the school manager Ibrahim Mohammed for supporting me. Thank you for watching.